Okay, it's Sunday, the 18th of August, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon when doing this. Some areas are seeing some sunshine, some areas are seeing some downpours. It's kind of hit or miss across Pennsylvania right now. If you get underneath one of these downpours, there could be some flash flooding, so just letting you know. And again, it's not a complete washout for everybody, but you're going to have to let these things go through, and they are a little bit of slow moving. Now, as we get into the nighttime hours, you'll see this is around 6 o'clock. They're now starting to cluster in northern New Jersey, the northern half of New Jersey, and you can see up in the Poconos, southern Poconos, you can still see some thunderstorms, and there's some scattered ones back here. But seems to be where they're building up for the afternoon hours. This takes you to around 8 o'clock tonight, and you can see the northern half of New Jersey, even just around Philadelphia, North Philly here. You can see some thunderstorms, some heavier down showers through here. So it would makes it kind of a possibility for some flooding, some highway flooding. Might have to slow down on 80, might have to slow down on 287, 78 even is possible. So you might have to slow down through some of these downpours until they go through. And again, they're slow moving. And then you'll see we moved this to around 10 o'clock tonight, and it's just moving now towards the northern half of Jersey, but out towards towards Newark and out towards New York City. And then you got a cluster back here, basically from Lancaster down through Baltimore and out this way towards DC. And there's another pile of storms down there. And then these all move east. This takes you to around midnight. These are starting to move out towards Long Island and Connecticut. These right in here are in the southern, southeastern part of Pennsylvania, northern Delaware, and into New Jersey. Again, the southern half of Jersey now. And you can see there are little pop-up storms around here. I think I can zoom this in. Let's see. You can see them. You can see they're just little cells, but these are downpours. Here's one just east of Reading. Again, this is simulated, so somewhere in this area there's still going to be downpours tonight, when as we get towards around the midnight hour. And then let's see here if we can move this out. You can see them moving off the coast by later on in the morning, and we're just left with a few showers here off the lakes. Now this is your total precipitation. As you can see, the western half of the state, pockets of heavier rain, but the extreme rains are more towards, as you can see here, northern half of Jersey up through the lower Poconos, down here south of Hazleton, and then around here towards Philadelphia, the ones that come on later on tonight, Baltimore towards Philly. So some of these pockets, depending on where they line up, can drop a couple of inches of rain. Up here, if you look, it's actually showing there could be over 4 inches of rain. So again, if you get caught underneath one of these downpours, take it easy driving, and then again, some localized flash flooding could happen with that. Temperature-wise, ahead of the storms, it can warm up. It's very humid out there. Humidity's gone opposite of what it was just a few days ago. And if you're along the coast here, again, there's that hurricane out in the Atlantic, and it's just churning up some high waves and some higher surf than normal. So you should be careful for riptides along here if you're down at the beach. But again, some storms will start moving in, and I know you won't be on the beach then. Here's around 8 o'clock this evening. Everybody's cooled off into the upper 60s to low 70s, but still humid. Humidity's there. It's not going to go away immediately. As we get into Monday afternoon, you can see again, southeastern PA, Jersey, Delaware, temperatures get into the lower to maybe the middle 80s. Everybody else in western PA, most two-thirds of PA, upper 60s to lower 70s there. And then you'll see the overnight lows Monday night into Tuesday, quite chilly up here, right around 50 in some areas, mid 50s in others. And even here in southeastern PA, Jersey, and Delaware, temperatures get into the lower to mid 60s overnight on Monday night into Tuesday. And then on Tuesday, we don't get these 80s and 90s. Tuesday's more of a more comfortable day. Temperatures and a lot of Pennsylvania, especially the higher elevations, stay in the 60s. Elsewhere, lower 70s, or even in central New Jersey, where it usually heats up in Philly, we're talking about middle 70s. So more comfortable a day on Tuesday. All right, I will update this thing tomorrow. You take it easy and you be safe out there.